In this video, I will show you how to quickly add up rows and columns using Excel. First, select the cell below the column that you want to add up. In the Home tab, select the AutoSum button. This will automatically calculate the sum of the entire column. To verify this value, I will click outside my table and click the drop-down beside the AutoSum button and choose Sum. I will then drag my cursor along all the values I want to add up. I will then select Enter on my keyboard. I should now see the matching value here. To do this another way, I can also click on the cell, click into this formula bar, type equals and capital Sum and an open bracket, and then select the range of values again with my cursor. Now when I press Enter, I should see the same value. The AutoSum button will also work for rows as well. If you select the last cell in the row and use the AutoSum button, it will add up all the values in the row. And that's it. You now know how to use the sum function in Excel.